Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Nokia smartphone. Start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Over here you need to click on Theme section and scroll down. Now click on Show More and tap on the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Then manage keyboarders by tapping on this switcher, select Apply and go back. As you can see after that, theme of my keyboard, has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time swipe up, click on this plus icon under my themes and select background photo by tapping on the best one for you. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you can adjust brightness by swiping left or right over here. Then tap on Done and click on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. Lastly, choose Apply, go back, and this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!